everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very surprising unboxing to share with you, and it's the Asos July beauty box. This is what it looks like. Now, as a few of you may already know, Asos were really late in releasing their beauty box this month. A few of you had messaged them, a lot of you had messaged me asking if I'd seen it, and to be honest, for the first 2 days of the month I was always on the Asos website. I was on the first day every like half an hour, second day every like hour or so, and then by the third day I was thinking, hold on a minute, what's happening here? But I was still looking because Asos have been doing these beauty boxes for nearly 2 years, maybe longer, I can't remember now, but a long time. So it was really odd that they didn't bring out a beauty box. A few of you then messaged me to let me know that they had seen on Twitter that Asos have said that they won't be doing a beauty box this month and that they hope to bring it back in the future. This box came up on their website yesterday. Because I have next day delivery, I ordered it straight away, and that's why I've got it today. I don't know, the only thing I can think of is the person that replied to the person didn't have a clue about beauty boxes maybe, or unless they've been bombarded by a lot, like saying, where is the box, aren't you doing one, why not, that they thought, okay then let's do one. But I don't know, I don't think that is right, because I'm sure these boxes take a long while to like create and, you know, put together. Anyway, we've got one for July now, and this is it. So if you're new to Asos, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Asos boxes are not subscription boxes, they just release them once a month and you're able to see exactly what's inside the box. So if it's a box for you, you can get it. If it's not, then you don't have to. The cost of the box are £12 unless they do like a collaboration box, which we are due one, I think, maybe August. I've got it in my head that we might have a collaboration box next month. In the past we've had collaboration boxes with Bobbi Brown, with Clinique, with Pixie, with Makeup Revolution, but we are due one, so watch out for August. Might be wrong, but anyway. So those collaboration boxes cost a little bit more. They cost between £15 to £18. Inside the box you'll receive 5 beauty products, and all items can be bought off their website. Some of the items are mini, some of them are full size, and we do get a mix. There is a theme which I'll tell you about as I open up the box, and yeah, I really love this box. Some months are better than others, but I really get excited when I know that Asos have uploaded their box. But as soon as I know, I let you lot know. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, as soon, literally a few minutes after I found out and I bought one for myself, you lot will know because I'll post it up there. And the reason I do it super fast is because these boxes sell out really fast. If it's a good box, they could be sold out within a day or so. So if you're really interested, either follow me and wait for my post to let you know, or from the 1st of the month onwards, just type in beauty box into the search panel on the Asos website and just keep refreshing until you find it. But I've also started alerting people to the Asos boxes on my community tab on my YouTube page as well. So I don't really use that much, but because they do sell out super fast, I think, right, getting it up so that as many people as possible can view them, just in case they are sold out by the time you see these videos. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I'll pop all links and everything related to this box down in my description, so you're welcome to take a look there. But let's get on to open this up and showing you what I got inside. It's got a little leaflet here and it tells you a bit of information about the products inside the box, but it doesn't give you a price and it doesn't go into detail telling you about each product. So I'll go through them one by one showing you, but I'll also seek them out on the Asos website and I'll put individual links in case you want to have a look at the products in more detail. And there we go. So the information on the card, it says a healthy balanced diet isn't just for meals, your skin needs some of these yummy all natural things too. So July's face and body box is big on juicy ingredients, all full of hydrating and brightening properties. You go get that glow. And then it goes into telling you a bit about the products. It says our first treat is the OOK caffeine body mask made with coffee beans and noni fruit. Never heard of that. Noni fruit extract. The patches rejuvenate and firm the skin, and you can even wear them under your clothes for an all-day pampering. I'm gonna have to read that again. That doesn't make sense to me. What? This is a new thing for me. This is what it is. It's a body mask. Now I've had a few masks from this brand before, OK, from Korea, and the masks are really lovely. But it's a firming body mask and it clings to skin. So they look like big patches. I don't want to open it up because obviously when you open them up you need to use them straight away. There's a photo of them down there as well. So it looks like the little patches that you just put on different areas of your skin. How strange. But you leave it on your skin for 20 to 30 minutes and then you massage the essence in. It's saying your arms, but I'm assuming you could put them anywhere. It's for your body, so you can put them anywhere. I love that. I absolutely love it. I'm not sure whether it'll make much difference to my body, but I don't know. Maybe on my shoulders or something like that, tops of my arms. I don't know, might be quite nice. No, firm in it. It'll have to be underneath my arms. I don't really want to firm my shoulders. I'm intrigued, so I'm quite chuffed at that because it is different, and if you've been following me for a while you'll know that I get excited by something different. So that's the first item there. And then it says, next up, science meets natural ingredients in the Ordinary's niacinamide vitamin and mineral blemish formula. It's got lashings of vitamin B3 which helps reduce the appearance of blemishes whilst moisturising your skin. So this is a full-size product. And I've used this before. Now for me personally, I haven't noticed any difference. Now I've got sort of combination skin. I suffered for many years with acne and I'm on medication now, so I don't have any acne anymore, but I am left with quite large pores and yeah, I just don't like them. So I'm always on the lookout for something to not diminish, but just to make them look a little bit better. So I did try this, but I haven't noticed any difference. I don't know, what's your thoughts on niacinamide? I suppose if I had oily skin with blemishes, I suppose it would be more suited for me then, because I just wanted it for my nose more than anything, just down here. It's a full-size product, and the reason I went for it is because a lot of people really rated it. They said it was amazing. So I'll pass this on to someone. So that's what it looks like there. I have a few products from The Ordinary and it's such a great brand, really great brand. Back to the card, it says, then for those all-important pampering moments, we've got Glam Glow's Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. Don't let the mud part put you off though. It uses a combination of orange blossom, honey, coconut and ginger root, plus much more to soften skin, moisturise and boost radiance all at the same time. And here it is. So I've received this before in subscription boxes as well, but I can't remember. I'm sure I've tried it. I've tried lots of different samples from Glam Glow because they're just one use and I do masks all the time. I can't remember which ones I've used. I've tried purple one, silver one. I've tried a few of them, but what's it say? Apply an even layer to clean skin 2 to 3 times per week. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Wipe off excess or massage into skin. Perfect for day, night, or in flight. It's definitely a mask I would go to, a hydrating thirst mask. So yeah. So we got that. It says, if that wasn't enough glow for you, double it up with some face pads by First Aid Beauty. It's lemon peel and licorice root combined to brighten your complexion, while lactic acid and glycolic acids exfoliate your skin. So this is a little sample. I'm not sure how many we've got in there. It feels like there's quite a few. 10. There's 10 pads in there. So it's like a little travel pack maybe. Now First Aid Beauty is another really nice brand. It's allergy tested, fragrance free, white pad across face and neck once or twice daily after cleansing. And it says here, helps exfoliate, tone and brighten, and safe for sensitive skin. And then lastly, Lanolips Face Base Day Cream is your everyday wonder cream. Nourishing your skin via vitamin E while protecting it from environmental aggressors. Use it to prep your skin before applying a full face of makeup or as the last product on a bare face look. Either way, you're glowing. I have never tried this before and I'm really excited to give it a go. Really excited. It's supposed to be absolutely wonderful. Let me know if any of you've tried it. But yeah, this is a travel size. It's 98.4% natural. And it just says hydrating, nourishing, rich for normal and dry skins. And it's 30 mils, I've got to say, 30 mils. So let's try it out. Whoa, that is quite thick. Let's see. Oh, it just feels so nice. It feels so nice. Just a nice fresh smell. That'd be really lovely if it has a night cream. Actually, it does feel quite thick and it is a little bit tacky. It's not absorbing into my skin straight away. I think for me, I'd wear it more in the evening, or if, as it said on the back there, if I was having a no makeup day or something like that. But I do think it's a little bit too thick and tacky as like a day moisturiser underneath makeup for me personally. But no, I am really chuffed with that. So yeah. So So that's that. So I'll just gather all the items together. So these are all the products inside Asos's July beauty box. We have got a body mask, something completely new and different. Never tried that before. We got some face pads. We've got a niacinamide serum. We got a Lana Lips face cream, and we got a Glam Glow face mask there. I wasn't too sure when I first saw this box. I was thinking, okay, it's not one of the best boxes I've seen, but there's a few things there that I'm excited to try, mainly the Lana Lips really. So all in all, I am quite happy as I'd used most of the items in the box. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Were you as shocked as I was to see that they'd actually released it, or were you unaware that they had said they weren't going to release one this month? And are you going to purchase this box? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.